Efia ene kwesimpam cho me mamache.
Ejo so lady.
Jo na obi ahoye.
Ade achia. Ya shebro nyatare di.
So the anthem no waje atom. Ye de nyame ase. Ye de nyame ase.
Nyatare se ya na ekọ no. Se she ye nsu de.
Awurade dum. Asem no na waka no pacho me da se.
Se ne bons beden pa.
Otipupu anu a obi adi.
Okay.
Afenso aya anu adi ulem.
Okay.
Because bi anako obi nkwan. But whatever it is no ye de nyame ase. Nyame amaya de chie foforo. Nso ho ayefe.
Asemo.
Kwesi obedi nkomo ana say ye nkode obon krata no ne online
so bransa.
Men call online so ho yo me da say. Enti pacha no pay adomonline.com no ensem no a ewa ha no bi eye NDC election 3 arrested over chaos in Asante region. Enti na anu abato no NDC photo na ochi ewiye no basabasa si ye no wachire enipa miensa na se dia posifo no ye no nie ye che osa na wanim no emma enti nipa miensa no baako a nenim edahanum sei eni enti we ye de course ewo Asante mantem no ho na we so afa amanyosem ho ene say AC terminate registration certificate of 70 political parties. Enti aya na wahwehwem. O de koso no ha Adom TV fi say kase ebom no ye bema wa hu se bia na odon kube ana akokọ ana se bia dua ana se praye party bia na o party no so eka ho ana oso ana chinye. Enti amanyoku dunsom an electoral commission for say one way you would din everyone kratem. Eye bibinti sa bibi kono ntine Adom kase ebema wati ase na afen so adomonline.com and so ebema wo ati ase nti ebia so ma anya de esese isi hwehwe fi won ho de a na ebia won din no etumi akofri isi kratem kra but for the meantime the electoral commission ababeka enono and aba konsa wa ha na say my integrity, my most cherished assets in life. I won't allow anyone to ruin it. Dr. Baumia Ghana mampani abedi achiri na okasei inti ono so wiase obaye no na chi asem se e beka ne yie inti no wo ma obi fa nanim entwitwi fom eni nyina akowie krachi ye nra mampani che se wapam no church house edo Boahen ne sensem no inti eno na ema vice president kasa wakano sa ede afa ho no. It's daylight robbery. I will never accept the results. Defeated NDC chairman Ena Eka Sasimi. Na abato no kwa wiye na chairman enkunim no. Ena watche so say wi akete say wi agina so we de. Me nkama no ntum obi mo mekro no. Na otimi hu say abato no de enkunim die no. Na nka ye ono a na bia ye wia no. Enti ebia na wo chairman ya adomonline.com ebe ma antiase no eye. Kwasi ne afia mpamcho me de adomonline.com na sianti da bon krata no.
If you could find the idea.
Yo, and my fa find no to so na me say mampani abedi eche Dr. Baumia ne de na say PM o find the bokrata page 9 o ko hono mu a ewo ho and afa you start sie nyina ye be hye no so a emabunu ye se ye pa adwuma de ama wo mo nti aban the 500 million Ghana cedi ahyem a de ebe hye emabunu no asene no de ahye wo adwuma se nti ho asam nso e de aba sanso na EC asai political parties 19 nso de no eno aba wo page 4 the find the bokrata yi mu nso e wa ha nansan foforo mu
and find us in 19
17
okay
enti ensan foforo mu ko page 8 no nso a caterers and yede ato wo no manim se memo mo nto Ghana aduane no nko a nemom yamamre nso wo mo enton December bosumi no emu sa hoho no eba wo mo ma yamamre ne yamane no nso
mo no aduane won kwanchen no
o nya nkwanchen kwa like babia
okay baby obi ton okay
ahoho ne ba no o ma ne nya adwuma na se nkwan ho nyina so kwa atumi so amamre wa yi no sif no ho na bia Ghana senso ohu you can tell sa ne mane nyina e ka ho
okay
na za me hwe o wa so eni e floor no
afapa
yes wa efe mo wa ya de
if you already afa chairman na menim komo waiter o
akama me fancy na sha aha nti san foforo mu so menim am se news no kura be page 4 ho telco so no yes wo matua 4.3 billion Ghana cedi as tax levies e wo 2021 mu ya kosoro pa nti e ho asem ni na enu anso nyani kwrade e wo Accra International Conference Center NAS expose no so asade abai before ye besaki oredu Boahen no eno ho asem the finder the bokrata man bo no pay eno no
eno a queue ni sha say pale abaso bi ka no AIC so say Monko register Muslim, the Muslim near that. Obi was some about head. When Jenny, we be a man who evidence based, who be, sir. Lawyer Kwame Adom, constitutional lawyer. Now, Anas Arimia or Nas expose a buyer Mampende Krataba say, Wapam Charles Boahen. I said, Bakom Mampendeka say, wa refer assembly ama Office of the Special Prosecutor. Honorable Charles Boahen so ebetwe on the Facebook page say recording the course in 2018. That was 4 years ago. And on a sa team no ekoshia Dubai. Yes, I recorded interview. Now, question be be says 2018. Namre nimni edema Tiger IPI. Yeah, mune yes documentary. Eye lawyer Kisi Ejabin. Yeah, no, yes, special prosecutor. So you be moon so already our position on this case. It ma fan say a conflict of interest ena eba. Emrem no sa na kacha lawyer ati eka ya mo acharo pay eba bedwam dwumade so Adom TV so. Hello lawyer.
Utuminga.
Ya mo acharo pay.
Yeah nia.
Yeah, that's why you bring your baby and combo. Akwa the ebisa no pay and say President refer Charles Boahen on this announced expose to Office of the Special Prosecutor no. Ebi mu say a conflict of interest based on the partner or your special prosecutor lawyer Kisi Ejabin from baby a ugina say emrenim ni woni sa nkofo na yes asuen be ya adwen.
Minia mamenchia o da menchia o tifo no ahwefo nyina. Pepe asem so sia kan no ano no. Ye wo you be a friend of once a client, always a client. So client duty to the client. And once the person once you have that relationship, there are certain privilege or confidential information be in the time uninya that relationship. Now, your specific situation of Anas Tiger IPI and the now special prosecutor now he was advising them all along. He was going to court all along. So he knows all the material already. The question is, what is he going to investigate? That's one question you have to understand. What is he going to investigate? He knows it already. Because he has the privileged information already by virtue said now you're a lawyer. Because ever say now, oh, you're a client. You tell me almost everything I need to know. If it turns out, say no, assuming say, yeah, Mr. Kisiajabin, or accept this over investigate. No, first question is, what is he going to investigate? When you already know what you're going to investigate anyway. You already have a prejudicial mind from the start. Now, the second issue is, if he starts assuming he says he's still going to investigate, that's what I'm still investigating. That's the evidence that pointing towards a wrongdoing by another. What is he going to do? Because by our law, in our practice, in our ethics, we are not allowed to act against our former clients.
Okay.
So it's more like a dilemma situation, catch 22. Oh, he's not allowed to even go after Anas. So there's a serious conflict of interest situation here. And I cannot see how he can even touch anything to do with Tiger IPI or Anas. Because there's a serious conflict of interest.
Okay, ebi argument say the Office of Special Prosecutor, despite the fact that Kisi Ejabin ena elidi obono, there were other investigators omo ena eye adwuma no. So could it be say obeji adwuma na hwe omo nsa na omo aye adwuma se ne mbra no a kire omo se omo ye no?
It's possible. Under this Special Prosecutor Act, every document has to be signed off by the boss himself. Who read the act now? Anybody who conducts any investigation has to come to him for a final sign-off. So how is he going to approve something that he is already involved? Or how is he going to disapprove something that he's already involved? It's not possible. We'll check the act that.
Okay.
By that mandate, no. Even the deputy Krano cannot act on her own without his approval. So it's impossible.
And you can say
anything to do with Tiger IPI, he has to stay out of it. And it's better he refers that matter to the police, not himself.
Oma CID for the investigation way.
Yes. The only people who can legitimately conduct any investigation under the circumstances will be the CID. He cannot touch anything to do with Tiger IPI because he's in a very serious conflict of interest situation. One, he already knows the evidence anyway. So what is he going to investigate?
Okay.
Two, how is he going to investigate his former client? He's not allowed. For example, if I am your lawyer, and today I'm not certain information, the laws or our rules does not allow me to go against you under any circumstances. I'll have to withdraw and let somebody else take over. That's how the legal practice works. It won't mean turning around and pretend say he doesn't know what he's purportedly going to investigate. It's ridiculous. Okay. I will just refuse or reject it straight away. By virtue of having a conflict of interest situation, you cannot avoid. It's not a situation where it's a big institution. You say, I've got Chinese walls building between the offices and my deputy can investigate. But if you look at the actor, he has to sign off every investigation. He is the final say.
How is
he going to? Okay.
Pay.
Thank you.
Lawyer Kwame Adofo, a constitutional lawyer. Today say baby and so the akwa and no say special prosecutor and train fencing chain. I was on farmer CID for na omo enye nhwemo. Ti say fear we the find there and a main guide him on sway. I will daily guide him. My hands are clean, Dr. Alhaj Mahmoud Baumia. Nana sacks Charles Edubwai over corruption. Openly dismissed judges to continue on trial. Government opens Youth Start Jobs and Skills Program. I shall want forged marriage certificate for residential permit. Daily Guide. The Chronicle. No compromise on corruption. Akufo-Addo uproot Edubwai like cassava. Hands him over to special prosecutor. NDC chair race mosquito in comfortable lead. The Chronicle. And anyway, by mind your online, as we say, lady.
And to say, I dissuade na one running me say.
Okay.
Say why am a lawyer penya?
Yeah.
Na me hoba semwa. Unti mean sign.
Eme kuntia.
Sir. Okay. Media to me too. Minim se sana. Media to me.
Even before I am a lawyer, and paying for more so any day more nim dada.
Manu yem duka krefi say. Ma penny kura or there some come special prosecutor. So yem renimni.
Yeah. Executive secretary to the president so yem renimni.
Okay. Emra no the acquire a soldier for asem. Wow.
Is it but no.
It is my lawyer pen one. Na ye hia no kura bi pa ebe je nkwa. It is a won't mean internamasem so.
So does it mean say cemetery? Na say attorney general no am a personal lawyer. Obe no ababa ya attorney general na so chire makwa kodi bone na your border on criminal. It will not as attorney general won't mean ko ginemu entwitwa nyi wo man no against me.
Say dey ye kan dey ehia. And I just hope obi na ne so evidence bia me dem per the ACO. Oh no nipa na kasa lawyer foforo.
Okay.
Me say sa na be.
Hey, so serious so.
Na the probability say bia mint na wasem no so fi say emrane ma me sa kwanya no. Na so won sem no a minimu nti emrane ma makwanya no. Metumi ada ne nsem ni nyina ma e ho ne so e. Okay,
say na obi ka say any behind the scenes.
And obi e.
And na make say obi ka che o lawyer foforo na wa fa no.
Asem na nka say ni monyena.
Ana no so emrane be che no.
Okay, nti yenya mamrani fo no. Yenya ba baby e me du ana ma no ntumi nka ye. On say mampani ankasa ha de asem na ma special prosecutor. And ye mampani onye ceremonial lawyer o. No a practice one. What I say? Nti who ka say ho no clause no nim. but ye jama mrani for because mrana sem no akoya se mema masem budi abra
ebia wonim ho side no said no any lawyer
adoda gwa kufuado bra kwaku oh law no de wonim but whatever it is no yes say obi ati na dwuma mbrofo aha tie bia na
investigators omo ya de o 2018 2022 na abedro na say so any homework yi say some of you do be
good years
afena aba
and what na we sua
enti mampani asem na mampani abedi echi asem na okan no caption no me de pa for my integrity sake. It was 4 years ago.
Yeah.
Wana anwenda. Ebi kro di san komono se se kra until ebi na asasem. Wa kan wie kwa ne baby kra because that time no ba omi ade de hia na eska obenya. E de be ne camp. Asai no poto. Bible ntwatro. Oh, anope chronicle quotation or the Bible.
Yeah, me
hu.
Or see Proverbs 13:24. Whoever spares the rod hate his son, but he who loves him is diligent to discipline him.
Na nra de no so de ba no kai. Nra de no akwai to say tutwamene bia sura ya na. Uto obi mene na onfa wo hu ni. It is say wiase na ye kɔ na ye ban say ka say the world is spherical. Ye no kro. De wugu ne na bia no. Ebeba betua o kada ko ebeba be da de jada ko. Ye nya abofo. Now, so me did say would di obi a aya dwehumi because ebe twa ne ho saa besi desi obi anya bofo obi a wo ba bia ofo now so they we need that hopper wo twatro say ohia $20 million so sahe
was it $200,000
$200,000
and out of the $500 million investment obi hia mu 20%
now on say
that is $100 million
aden we bisasem na ade na udi bon e na won say baby bako a sign vice president won say onu akra Boahen ne ka say oh onu de ontisa but de obehia ye sase nti so odi say nipa na ade ne di kodi bon no ontisa na onye saa
ba wo de sese ni anyaje obi
o ya jaje obi o ya
Boahen say enye no kore
also you available for investigation am ampani call for no
well
it obeba na onso no onso nim wo hu bia
no aba be ka
na enu anwes no say ka ba ko be say tape no mo twetwa asiani
but odi nkomo ne de
yes o say nkomo
ne de odi e ba ye twetwa asiani
nkomo no call so 20 on me hu say 2018 nkomo de
okay but anya nas na di year ne ba
e chance do boy
ba yama ni momunyi
ye ba enura enso yenya akwan kohwe bi no H3 say abranti owu Medina Ahmed Swale and a investigation.
No how many years in it?
Yeah, Ahmed Swale ne lead that investigation. According to enu an ye hwe Accra International Conference Center no. Ahmed Swale and a lead. But just do one so na ma aware for the first time enu say Sam komodie na course wo Dubai no 2018 komodie. And na omotwitwa e de sie ne amani asem abeshia
in 2018 no sika no buy
o se ne kwakra na o se ne we invite minister say
me just woje
wa anyi $200,000
woje say half or no
o debi was at least say say ebia me hotel ne o my invite minister for nkomodie de ne honorable patro dia udufia na o reso
ti bibi sa de o
but say $200,000 for the
so man farmer no
sir akoye no fanu aba we say o anu ye we say senti yen hwe de susan de body ba befa ba ayi ora nyanta chi de so ko so Dubai won
enso Dubai wa
okay and Dubai for your chiam
hotel
sa wo
the same hotel
and Dubai for your mamache
but different rooms
okay yo enti no pacho Adom online no me de senti afia no kwasi se bibi wo ha
yeah
okay enti